Friday, July 21st, 5:14 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Just finished another week. I think it's very important to look at the Dow 30 index. We'll go over that. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, it's for free. If you want to get access to the video the same day, that's my Patreon page. The link's below. And if you like my content and want to make a donation, you can do it with PayPal or Venmo. The links are below. It's a 5-year chart. Each candle is a week. Dow 30 largest publicly traded companies in the stock market. The value is amazing. Yep. So market cycles. Look down here. That's the low of 2020. Here we are at 2024. This year made all-time new highs. Very strong, very strong. Yep. So we're just coming out of this markup phase here, and now we're in a consolidation. This consolidation right now is proving to be an accumulation. Buyers are still buying. Nice. Green for the week, higher high, higher low. Here's the high for the year. We're going to compare this with the 30 companies, alphabetical order, looking for ones that are performing better. Or you could maintain just buying a stock index. And then you don't have to decide on the individual stocks because the index represents all of them. Yep. Just remember, right here, for the week we closed green, higher high, higher low, below the high of the year, way above the low of the 5 years. Outstanding. So first, Apple, yellow for the week. That simply means it didn't take out the high of low last week. Last week was that all-time high. Again, look at this. Green horizontal line. Key support. It was resistance until we finally broke above it, closed above it. Now it's support. Key level. Opportunities buy if you pull back there. If you think it's going to be holding. It's a volume. Massive amount of volume. Huge amount of volume. Broke above it and went higher. Extremely bullish that week. Yep. So again, Apple is performing better than the stock index. Outstanding. Amgen, here's the stock symbol right there. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. And Apple is performing better. Amazon, outstanding. Green for the week. Made a lower low, but higher high. Very close to the highs of the year. Nice. The Dow Jones Industrial Average. Notice this here. Well, this orange vertical line in Amazon was the day that Amazon got added to the index. So since then, Amazon is now higher. Outstanding. I shared that with you as a buying opportunity. They took off the loser and they put Amazon. Very good. American Express. Yellow candle for the week. Yep. Trending off the highs. Boeing. You don't know what the Boeing problems are. Where have you been? Yeah. Here's the high for the year. Very close to the low. It's not leadership. No. It's bringing down the Dow. Caterpillar, also, look at that, trending down. Inside candle. You notice several of these inside candles simply means indecision. Salesforce. Green for the week. Bullish engulfing. Very interesting. We should see if we're going to have continued momentum up there. Yeah. Bullish engulfing on the bottom. Nice. Might be a bull spread trade. Cisco. Very disappointing. Looks like it made a new low for the year. 44.97. And this week was 44. Yep. Wow. So last week was actually the lower low. Nope. 44.97 was last week. And this was 44.95. So made a new low this year. Very disappointing. Cisco. Again, it's dragging down the Dow. Chevron. Green for the week. Lower, low, lower high. Way below the highs from multiple years. Disney, no surprise. Here's the high for the past 5 years. And look at this down here. Garbage. Dow Chemical, too. Coming down towards the look at all that red. All that red. You have the Dow, huge consolidation. Dow Index versus Dow Chemical, all red. Disappointing. Goldman Sachs, another financial. Green for the week. And look at that. Very close to the highs. Home Depot, big reversal off the lows for the past 2 weeks. Nice. Honeywell, new high for the year. Yep. New high for the year. So we knew that. Swing point. Still below the highs in the prior years. That's impressive. New high for the year. IBM, very disappointing. Right there, sweet spot. Opportunity. If you're bearish, it's testing a swing high. You can look for the opportunity trade. Bear call spreads if you're bearish. If you're bullish, own up and buy it then. I'm not impressed. It's not leadership. Better ones than this one. Intel, very disappointing. You got it. A lot of companies in the stock index are very disappointing, but there are several that are winners. So again, look how low it's been below the multiple years are for Intel. Versus again, the Dow. Be better sticking with the index. Johnson & Johnson, yep, way below prior years. Another financial, JP Morgan, inside candles for the week. Coca-Cola, also below prior years. McDonald's, very close to the low of the year. Did it make the low there? Let's see. 249.16. So actually, this green week was lower. Yeah, still very disappointing. 3M, way below multiple years. Disappointing. Merck, yep, that nice new high. Compare the prior years, huge consolidation, a lot of chop over here, building a lot of energy here, so most likely going to go higher. The longer it sits in this chop consolidation area, that's more bullish. You could take that into account because you have these swing lows and it filled to take those out. Be higher swing lows. It's like building a wedge, working its way to go higher. Be in here for a long time. Point is, that's more likely bullish. So again, if you have a dip, you might be looking at buying that dip if that's your stock you want. Microsoft, all-time new high, outstanding. Outstanding. Nike, retail, no surprise, piece of garbage. Procter Gamble, almost high, almost all-time new high. Another financial travelers, look at inside candle. Seen multiple of those like this, very disappointing. United Health. Yeah, again, very disappointing. Look at these high prior years. Visa, huge consolidation here, just holding up below that impulse move up. Verizon. Look at that, lower the last year, made a V pattern here. Huge consolidation, building a lot of energy there. And still has not tested that low this year. So nice. Again, just very disappointed back here, way below the prior years. That's not good. Forget about it. And Walmart, all-time new high. All-time new high. Retail Walmart versus retail Nike. Yeah, Walmart's the winner. And then the computers from IBM, Microsoft. We saw Microsoft, all-time new high. Compared to IBM. Terrible. Yeah. So there's very few of these that are actually helping the index. Yeah, the index is doing fine. First, going to individual ones, okay. I would recommend staying, of course, with the index, investing in the index. Trading, well, that's different. You could trade them individually, swing trading, day trading, but for investing long term, Stick with the index. Well, thank you for taking the time. If you have questions, you can put them in the video. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.